Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your sunroof in the 2023 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the sunroof for the Seltos, of course, is up in the roof here. And this is just a standard powered sunroof, so not a panoramic roof. And that's just to try to reduce cost and weight of the vehicle. And the button to control the sunroof is right up here in the center in the ceiling. The shade itself is manual, so you can move it yourself. If you were to fully open the window, we're gonna go ahead and just pull the button back, and it will start to open the shade, and it will go the majority of the way, just not quite all the way. So this is the sunroof fully open from the inside. I'm gonna do a shot of it opening from the outside as well. And then if you wanted to close the sunroof, you're gonna go ahead and press the button forward, like toward the front of the car, and then your glass closes. If you want to just vent the sunroof, we're gonna push and hold it into the ceiling, and now you'll see that it's vented the back just to allow a little fresh air in without letting absolutely everything in. And then again, from any position, you push it forward and it's gonna go ahead and close that. And again, the shade is manual, so you can keep it open, let some nice natural light in, or you can go ahead and close it whenever you want. And even if you happen to leave the sunroof open just a little bit, and you were to go turn the car off, and then it's gonna ping on there to remind you that the sunroof is still open. So if you happen to leave it ventilated, it's a hot day, just go ahead and ignore that message. But if you thought you meant to close the sunroof, but it's telling you in here that it's still open, just go ahead and start the car again and press it forward just to make sure that everything is closed properly. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.